Tired of static dashboards? Let's unlock the power of dynamic analysis by transforming your column names into measures in Tableau. First, understand your data. Observe column names like Sales Q1, Sales Q2, etc. Focus on sales data and the fields panel in your sample data, the Sales Q1 to 3. And for our at the top, we'll get those column names into the pane on the left. Data pivoting is key in Tableau. Select your data source, right-click the column headers you want to transform into measures like Sales Q1, Q2, Q3, Q for select pivot. Tableau pivots the data, creating pivot field names with your column names and pivot field values with corresponding data. You will see Sales Q1 and its data, then Sales Q2 and its data. Visualize by dragging pivot field names to columns and pivot field values to rows. You get a bar chart representing original column names as measures. Feel free to modify your chart. You've transformed column names into measures, creating dynamic visualizations. This allows for more advanced, flexible dashboards, turning your data into a fully customizable view.